Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game. We're not going to edit it. We're going to do our best to try to explain what I'm thinking and how you go about solving it and getting through various roadblocks you may encounter while attempting to play this game. So let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for these columns and then work my way in the draw pile. The draw pile is these cards right here. If there's one card I can save early on, there is not right now. I like to hold on to it and save it for last so I can manipulate the rest of the draw pile, being that there's 24 cards here. That's the short explanation of it. Let's play. Ace of clubs up, two of clubs up. That's very big because now we opened up a column for a king. Let's move this 9. Okay, we got a few other options we can move. We got two different 9s. We're going to get to that in a minute. We're going to move the 7 first. So we've got two different 9s. We're going to see which one is the better of the two. Let's play this 9. There's a king. Okay. The other 9, there is an 8. And that allows us to move the 10 there. I think, yeah, we can move this 5. That 9 is going to be the 9 of choice. We can move this 8 over here, of course. And we're going to move this 2 of diamonds, although I would be cautious. We're probably good in this situation, but you got to be careful with that. Oh, there's a 7 and a 6. We can move this 6. Now remember, there's a king under here. We will move this 7. Not yet. We're going to wait and see if we have to, because there could be another 7 in the draw pile that we need. And it looks like there is one right there. Something to consider, and we may want to consider undoing some of these moves just in case. Let's say we wanted to move this 7 instead of the 7 of clubs, but not yet, because I think there was a few. I think a 7 came from right here, did it not? And then there was some stuff. But if we can't find a move, we will go back to the 7. But let's see what we have. Oh, we found our move, so we can forget about that. Let's move the ace of diamonds, 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds. Oh, we can move the... Oh, this is a tricky one. Do we move the 4 of diamonds up, or do we move the 3 of spades over? So 3 of spades gives us a 5. Interesting. And of course, the 4 of diamonds gives us the jack, which allows us to move the 10. And then we still could move... We still could move the 4, right? So 5 there, 4. We'd like to get... We need the other red 4, because then we can move the 5 of diamonds up, and then we can move this red 5 that's under the 3 of spades over to here. So something to keep in mind. We are going to move this king. If we can find a red queen, we can move this jack over. If we can figure out a way to get the rest of these columns open, we've got it. Oh, there's a 6 we can move under the 7, I believe, right? Yeah, so we're going to do that. And, yeah, we'll just... Oh, there's the ace of spades. So that's kind of cool. There's a 2 of spades. We'll have to get 2 in a minute. Ooh, interesting, interesting. Do we want to move the 4? I think we want to move the 4 of clubs down. We'll put this 5 back here. And more importantly... Oh, no. We can't do that. What I wanted to do is move this 4. If I move this 4 down, I can move this 3. But I can't do that. Well, we'll just leave it like it is. I wanted to do something else, but it's kind of complicated. There it is. There's the 4. All right. I'm going to do the complicated thing. Back, back, and back. So this all goes back here. Going to drop this queen. That's really good. We can move this jack here. And now we're going to do the complicated thing. 4 hearts here. That means this 3 goes right here. But more importantly, that means we can put this 5 under the 6. That was what I was thinking. That was a super complicated move. Going to move this 8 over here. And we were holding the 7, I think, for a reason. So we're going to keep holding it now because we've got an open column. 2 goes here. 4 clubs, I believe, can go down. And I think we've kind of got this. We just got to manage just the rest of this draw pile the right way. We have a queen, black queen in the front. That means we need a red king. There's a red king right there. So we're going to play this 7 first. This 6 of diamonds can go here. 7 of diamonds here. We can move the 7 of hearts now. We can move the 10. Yeah, we'll move the 10. We'll move this 2 of spades. We'll move the king, and I believe that queen, the queen should be our first card, the black queen. And then when we get that, we'll play one of these 2 jacks over underneath that queen right there. One of these 2 jacks will get played there. So that's the goal going forward here. And let's see, 3 of spades can go up, 4 of clubs cannot. Move the heart up. Yeah, let's just go through again here. And we're going to see if there's any other moves. We will move this queen. It's going to be our insurance card, though, just because we want to make sure we do this right and don't bungle this up here. So there's the move there. Can't move the 10. But now we can move the... Yeah, the queen's going to be the first move. We're only going to drop the queen, though. We're not going to drop the 3 yet. We will get to it, because we want to move this 4 spades up as well. That's going to be the first card that drops. So let's go back again. There's the 4 of spades. Now we're going to be moving pretty much everything we can. We just don't know which jack to move. Let's try this jack first. Okay, that's one way, and I believe there is a queen. Oh, shoot. We could play both jacks. We're going to play the 3. We're not going to play the 6. I think we couldn't... I'm not sure that we could play. Yeah, we could play the 6 because we're moving the 5 of spades, 6 of spades. We could move the 6 here, but we're not going to play that. And the reason we're not going to play it is basically we want to move the queen over, and then we'll play the jack underneath there. So that's why we're not going to play it yet. Again, let's see what else. We can move the 8 of spades. 8 of spades up. I think we can move this 9 anyway, right? Yeah, because we're going to take... If you see there's 2 9s here. 9 of spades, 9 of clubs. 9 of spades can go up top. 8 of hearts goes here. So 9 of spades up top. 9 of clubs there. And bingo! Now we can play everything. So 5 of clubs. We'll play the queen. We'll play this queen. Play the club. And we'll play the 10 under the jack that shows up right there. And we have solved it. So that was a easier than normal version. But hopefully I was able to teach you a trick or 2. Yeah, that's probably one of the 10% of the ones that you probably can solve without having to do heavy analytics on. But hey, thanks for watching, and good luck.